हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, ख्याल है आपकी पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही होगी। अभी अभी हमने पिछले दिनों में कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड्स पढ़े हैं। वी हैव स्टडीड बोरोन फैमिली, उसके इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड्स बोराजीन, डाइबोरेन, हायर बोरेन्स, बोरिक एसिड। आई होप यू मस्ट हैव बीन एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। अगली फैमिली जो है वो कार्बन फैमिली है, उसके बाद नाइट्रोजन फैमिली, ऑक्सीजन फैमिली एंड हैलोजेंस। नोबल गैसेस हमने पिछले सेमेस्टर में पढ़ी थी। रिगार्डिंग ऑल दीज फैमिलीज, द जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ऑल दीज फैमिलीज वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इन द चैप्टर ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल। कार्बन फैमिली में हमने ग्रेफाइट, डायमंड की स्ट्रक्चर, उनकी आपस में कंपैरिजन प्रॉपर्टीज का कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस हमने पढ़े हैं। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, दैट इज प्रिपरेशन एंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नाइट्रिक एसिड। नाइट्रिक एसिड HNO3 is an oxo acid of nitrogen and it can be prepared by reacting sodium nitrate with concentrated sulfuric acid. We get sodium bisulfate, so 4 plus nitric acid. This nitric acid is obtained as a brown liquid. Some of the nitric acid it decomposes to give water, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. As nitrogen dioxide is reddish brown in color, so due to this some of the nitrogen dioxide dissolves in nitric acid and this nitric acid is yellow in color and is known as fuming nitric acid. It can also be prepared, as you know, by a very important process, that is Ostwald's method. Ostwald's method में अमोनिया जो है वो हीट की जाती है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एट ए हाई टेम्परेचर इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्लेटिनम एज ए कैटलिस्ट. इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. दिस नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड फर्दर combination with oxygen is converted into nitrogen dioxide and this nitrogen dioxide in the presence of water dissolves in water in the presence of oxygen to form nitric acid. This is a very important method, that is Ostwald's method. Thirdly, nitric acid can also be prepared from air. From air, the method is same, but the reaction is carried out. First reaction, that is nitrogen and oxygen. When an electric arc is struck up between these two gases at a high temperature, we get nitric oxide. Then nitric oxide combines with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen dioxide dissolves in water in the presence of oxygen to form nitric acid. So this is all about preparation of nitric acid. Now regarding its properties. Nitric acid is, when obtained in the laboratory, if it is exposed to air, it turns yellow in nature. Pure nitric acid is colorless, but yellow nitric acid is due to dissolved nitrogen dioxide and this is known as fuming nitric acid. Fuming nitric acid. बेटा आप लैब में नाइट्रिक एसिड यूज करते हो, कई बार आपकी प्रैक्टिकल में आपके हाथ को नाइट्रिक एसिड लग जाता है। वो नाइट्रिक एसिड जो है वो बॉडी की प्रोटीन से कंबाइन करता है और येलो कलर के स्टेन्स पड़ जाते हैं और वो नाइट्रिक एसिड जो है इट इज हैविंग corrosive action on skin also. So now regarding its important chemical properties. Chemical properties of nitric acid. Chemical properties में हमें कुछ स्पेशल तरह की रिएक्शंस पढ़नी है. That's why I have taken this topic to study directly. Nitric acid, as the name indicates, is an acid. It combines with bases to form salts. For example, we are having sodium hydroxide plus nitric acid The products will be sodium nitrate and water. Similarly, it combines with sodium carbonate and we get sodium nitrate, not carbonic acid, as we have already studied. It is converted into water and carbon dioxide. A very important property of nitric acid is its oxidizing nature. Nitric acid is an oxidizing agent. So that's why, as it is an oxidizing agent, in number of stages it is converted into different reduction products: ammonia, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide. It is nitric acid. It is converted into nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide, ammonia and ammonium nitrate. As it is an oxidizing agent, it is converted into products having different oxidation state. Nitric acid is having an oxidation state +5, nitrogen dioxide as +4, nitrous oxide as +1. यहाँ पे नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड भी बन सकता है. In this it is -3 and so on. So this is a reduction process in which electrons are gained. It combines with almost all metals except gold and platinum. So noble metals जो हैं इसके साथ react नहीं करते. In combination with metals, it gives hydrogen. Nitric acid can act as an oxidizing agent under different conditions. When we use concentrated nitric acid, it gives water, nitrogen dioxide and nascent oxygen. When we use dilute nitric acid, we are having water, nitric oxide and oxygen. Please beta balance अपने आप कर लेना reactions को. We will see to it. So it combines with metals in two forms. First category is when it combines with metals more reactive than hydrogen. More reactive than hydrogen. More reactive than hydrogen. जो आपने इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल थ्योरी पढ़ी है उसमें आपने metals देखी हैं, zinc, magnesium, these type of metals, they are more reactive than that of hydrogen. So when these metals react with hydrogen, the nascent hydrogen is produced. So that nascent hydrogen, when magnesium combines with the nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid, it gives you magnesium nitrate and hydrogen. This hydrogen combines with the nitric acid to give water and nitrogen dioxide. When we use concentrated nitric acid, the product formed is nitrate, nitrogen dioxide and water. In first reaction, magnesium when combines with the nitric acid, it gives you, when we balance this reaction, this is 2 and this is 2. In second reaction, when we are having nitric acid plus hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and this is balanced. Before we add these reactions, we have to multiply this reaction by 2. क्योंकि हमें पता है जो nascent hydrogen है वो जितनी produce होती है it immediately combines. So we get overall reaction as magnesium plus 2 nitric acid, 2 नहीं यहाँ पे आएगा 3 nitric acid. It is converted into magnesium nitrate, water 2 और nitrogen dioxide भी 2. But when it combines with dilute nitric acid, but when the acid is dilute, in the first step we get magnesium nitrate and nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen combines with nitric acid to give nitrous oxide and water. First of all, balance this reaction. This is 2, we write it as 2. Then 6 oxygen, we write it as 5, 2 nitrogen हो गया 5, 5 and 6 nitrogen. Now we are having 10 hydrogen, 2 hydrogens are here and 8 are here. As we are having 8 hydrogen over here, we have to multiply this equation by 4. When we add these equations, 4 magnesium plus 8 or 10 nitric acid. 10 nitric acid. They give 4 magnesium nitrate plus nitrous oxide and 5 molecules of water. If you write up this reaction, अगर आप बेटा इस रिएक्शन को आप स्प्लिट अप करके लिखते हो, इट इज इजी टू बैलेंस. अगर आप एक ही स्टेप में लिखते हो तो इसको बैलेंस करना जो है मुश्किल हो जाता है. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज व्हेन द एसिड इज वेरी वेरी dilute. When nitric acid is very very dilute, then the first step is same, magnesium, nitric acid, very dilute. We are having magnesium nitrate and nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen, when combines with nitric acid, we get ammonia. In first case we get nitrogen dioxide. In dilute acid we get nitrous oxide. In third case we are having ammonia and water. This ammonia dissolves in nitric acid to give you ammonium nitrate. We have to balance all these reactions step by step. In first reaction, we are having 2 nitric acid and 2 hydrogen. In second reaction, we are having this is 3 oxygen. We have to multiply it by 2 and this by 3. This is 2 and now this is 2. ये हो गया हमारे पास 2 हाइड्रोजन ये हैं 6 और 6 12 हो गई. Nitric acid combines with hydrogen to form ammonia and water. When we balance this reaction, this is 3, nitrogen is balanced, हाइड्रोजन हो गई 6, 3 ऑक्सीजन 3 ऑक्सीजन 6 और 3 9, वी राइट इट एज 8. यहाँ पे 8 हाइड्रोजन है तो इस इक्वेशन को हमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. नाउ राइट डाउन दिस इक्वेशन. दिस इज 4 हाइड्रोजन नाइट्रोजन. दिस इज बैलेंस्ड. नाउ व्हेन वी एड अप दीज रिएक्शंस वी आर हैविंग 4 मैग्नीशियम 8 और 9 और 10 नाइट्रिक एसिड. Ammonia will be cancelled with ammonia. This will be cancelled by this. We will be having product magnesium nitrate 2. यहाँ पे 4, 3 molecules of water and 1 molecule of ammonium nitrate. So you have to learn 3 type of reaction. When the metal is more reactive than hydrogen, we are having 3 type of products. With concentrated nitric acid, we get nitrogen dioxide. With the dilute nitric acid, we get nitrous oxide. And with very dilute nitric acid, we get ammonium nitrate. So, these 3 type of reactions are occurring in other metals which are more reactive than hydrogen. So, in सब तरह की reactions को हमें रिवाइज करना है. स्टेप वाइज रिएक्शन लिखनी है, इसको कैंसिल करना है और जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो ऐड अप करनी है. सो इस तरह की रिएक्शंस में जो नाइट्रिक एसिड है वो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है. नाइट्रिक एसिड जो है वो अदर मेटल्स के साथ भी रिएक्ट करता है जो कि लेस रिएक्टिव हैं हाइड्रोजन से. So that we will study next time. Thank you.